Hey, I'm Brynn of Conscious Intimacy, and I just had a session with a couple that came to me because their sex life was fraught with anxiety and frustration and landmines of triggers, to the point where they were wondering if they're even sexually compatible or if they're just going to have to give up that aspect of their lives if they stay together. But they love each other and are wonderful in every other aspect. They love each other's company, they have a lot of fun together, they love each other's intellects. Everything else in life is going well except the bedroom. And I want to share with you, looking through the lens of attachment patterning, to deconstruct the patterns that they have been caught in and the blind spots that they haven't been able to understand each other, and guide you through the process of shedding light on what these blind spots are, how their attachment wiring has them acting in certain ways. So one is an anxious attached and the other is avoidant attached. Very common, very challenging combination. If this sounds familiar to you, if you feel like you get caught in these challenging dynamics, I'm hoping that sharing what came out in this session today will help you have more understanding for the patterns that you get caught in, why your partner does certain things or doesn't do the things that really matter to you and make a difference, why you might feel like your needs aren't getting met and perhaps are not feeling prioritized or seen or valued, or why you might be feeling a little like your partner is too needy and you need space, and how you can bring conscious awareness to the underlying patterns and bring more of what your partner needs that is not what you need, so you wouldn't think of it, to help smooth out the landmines and actually diffuse the landmines, so that you can both be feeling more met and valued and satisfied and fulfilled, and find a path forward to have more connection, not only everywhere else in life, but also in the bedroom. So if this is interesting to you, just click on the next video. I don't want the videos to be too long, but if you're interested, I'll walk you through it in the next video. I look forward to seeing you there.